Let me remind you mga children ha. So you very important that you have very fast internet at home if you study online. Because this is our new learning study online because of the COVID-19. So it's dangerous we go in the proper in school like before. So now it's have little exchanges. So exchanges today is we have online class today. So let me ask you the children, what is school? What is English? What is this? No, it's not. I did not see this Carabao. I asked children, what is called? What is English this? The Carabao? Who is the Carabao? Who is the owner of the Carabao? The Carabao is Daro, and the Carabao is the pambansang animal. Animal ka. Let me show you what the goat doing. Did you see that? No, I did not see the goat. I mean, class, listen to your teacher. The goat what doing? The goat very hungry because the mouth is open like this. The goat. So, the goat is kalderita? No. The goat is waiting. The goat is waiting the food because the goat is hungry and want to drink the water. The water drink the goat, right?